Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are team from SMK Convent M Kajang. Thank you for giving us this golden opportunity to participate in this competition.
The principal of SMK Convent Kajang, our beloved Bonde, Puan Norlila binti Omar.
Our senior assistant of co-curriculum is Dr. Wan Rokia binti Wan Ibrahim. Our teacher advisor is Puan Kalai Shelvi anak perempuan Gopal Das.
As the aim of this competition is about reimagining plastic waste for the 21st century classroom.
Our team members have come up with two ideas. One is the zero electricity eco cooler and also a 3-compartment recycle bin.
The classroom is stuffy, hot and not conducive for students. Also, students are not able to focus in class due to this problem.
Here is how our zero electricity cooler works. First, try to blow with your mouth open towards your palm and feel the air. Now, blow it with your lips. Isn't it cooler? Yes!
To make one, we will need a plastic mounting board, waste plastic bottles.
Here are the steps to make an eco cooler.
First, cut a piece of plastic mounting board to the size of a window in your class.
Then, drill holes in the board big enough to push a plastic neck through. Gather some old plastic bottles and cut the bottoms off. Then, slide the neck of each bottle through the holes and secure the cap till the board is full. Now, hang the board on the window and watch the temperature inside drop.
This is because as hot air passes through, the bottleneck compresses and cools the air. This phenomena can be proved using Charles' law of gas, where temperature decreases with the volume, given that the pressure of the substance is constant.
Students rarely practice recycling in schools because the recycling bins are limited. Also, plastic bags are seen scattered around the school. Hence, our team has come out with an idea that is to make a 3-compartment recycling bin in the class.
The materials include plastic bottles and plastic bags. To make one, you need to gather plastic bottles and also plastic bags, then stack up the bottles into a cylinder.
Glue one and another plastic bottles with super glue and fill the inside with plastic bags to make it more stable. Now, just make 2 more recycling bins and connect them with a stick. With having this 3-compartment recycling bin in the classroom, students can sort out their rubbish into different recycling bins accordingly. When the bin is full, they can throw out it to the big recycling bin in the school.